Khulumbakkha joto takhokte bukhoksong tai lamsogo ani o channel faidi chengtini nalene kainei notification nete pulano tongo kaisa diagnostic center Agartala oboni bagai borok ketal job notification talangai tongo nugimano obongkha waki interview nai tai post ni bumung ongkha pulano tongo marketing executive oboni bagai chelate brai jotono talangnai aboni pore tongo senior laboratory technician obo chelate brai jotono apply khaimane aboni pore tongo senior ECG technician obongkha sudu brai rongni bagai aboni pore tongo security guard obongkha sudu chelaroni bagai aboni pore tongo last computer assistant oboni bagai chelate brai jotono apply khaimanai norok jodi oboni bagai interest tong hangkeba norok jodi oboni bagai eligible hangkeba norok thangai apply khaimano 22nd August 2021 4 PM ni simi 6 PM ni bisingo norok ma thangnai hotel sunar toribo obongkha near fire brigade Germany Agartala West Tripura takukte buhuksong norok jodi interest tong hangkeba apply khai naimano haise faidi cheng tabuk taikesha information ti nalenai obongkha Sky Vision obongkha boni government registration number government license number tai obongkha boni website tai boni partner bank angkha Axis Bank Limited tai boni office ni address angkha village Moddopara post office Arkepur district Gumoti tai city angkha Udaipur state Tripura tai boni boni pin code tai boni WhatsApp number angkha 940232860 tai bongkha boni email ID skyvisionjob@gmail.com tai bongkha boni UPI number tai obongkha part time haike full time norok khaimano haise post ni bong ongkha captcha entry operator cum agent short form ka CEOA tai oboni category ingkha any Indian citizen such as student service holder pensioner unemployed housewife businessman everyone can do this job all job ni bagai jotono eligible any Indian citizen like a student service holder samkhai tone rokbo pensioner unemployed housewife businessman jotono all job ni bagai apply khaine mano haisi tai total number of post angkha limited vacancy tai qualification angkha je kono tai technical qualification angkha basic computer knowledge saimal nangnai tai experience borong nayo basic computer knowledge and apps operation knowledge obong khanoni job responsibilities you will be do work at home on his own computer or mobile phone by online as daily basis of your free time you will be work this job as a part-time or regular basis as you wish takukte buksong o samung norok nogo tongte tino khaimano norokni laptop ba noni computer haike ba noni mobile phone phone norok o samung khaimano online daily basis noni free time norok obono haike part time khaimano haike ba regular phone khaimano obongka boni payment nugimano 1000 captcha type khaganke 75 rupees manai tai minimum payout kharo 375 if you join a new worker by your refer code you will get 550 only per joint payment will be sent to your bank account by UPI abon pore ka job contract 1 year nai abon pore after 1 year if you want to work then you need to renew your account takukte buksong obongkha 1 year ni contract nai after 1 year ni pore nini account no norok renew ma khainai tai oboni pore registration and service charge there are no registration fee we are charged only 1 year service charge 1550 only for your account after 1 year if you want to work then you need to renew your account if you don't work after registration then service charge is not refundable. You will be get a refer code after join in captcha entry operator come agent. Refer code will be used for new worker registration. Ang je thasing samani norok jodi obnoti kuno doubt tongake an number thangi contact khaidi te obonongkha norok tamni bage o samuno khainai obonka working place norok nogotong trino samung khaimano tai obonka bahai ke norok an khainai obo jotno mention khajak tongo norok borok bai kerendi working device tai tang san saka mobile hai ke computer phone norok samung khaimano aboni pore norok join khaini ni bagai kuno interview naingya obokhai bahai ke join khaini ni company wa te obonka for join in captcha entry operator come agent click here takokte bukuksong o job ni notification ang or description box ri ano norok download khai nai di takokte bukuksong norok bahai ke o samungno khainani abo jotono o link or jak tongo norok omno click khai bongni pura videos nemano video nemin pore norok jodi interest song hanke ba borok bai contact khai nemano obongkha captcha entry work payment proof click here obongkha borok payment mamarok o jaga proof jak tongo norok omo click khai nemano takokte bukuksong omoni bagai to ashukno norok jodi oboni bagai interest song hanke ba bongni o contact number call khai di call khai sangi nai di je noni sangnamu chumarok tai borni hotirok tamorok sa norok abo khare nai di tai kaise kok ang sanamu chung norok o job no khainani sikang ba registration khainani sikang kahamke jachai khai nai di jachai khamani pore no decide khai di je norok khainai dena khaya kaisa jaga khaina thangangke joto kisino saimane khaina nang haise tin baga ashukno belkono hambai khulumbagia